In this video, I'm going to show you how to change account in CapCut on PC quickly and easily. Whether you want to switch to a different email, move to another social login, or just sign into a new CapCut profile, this guide will walk you through the exact steps inside the desktop app. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software walkthroughs just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the CapCut desktop app on your PC. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the interface. Right next to the profile icon, you'll see a swap icon. This is the button you need to use to switch accounts. Go ahead and click that swap icon. A small drop-down menu will appear with account options. From that menu, select Sign Out. This will log you out of the current CapCut account so you can sign in with a different one. After you sign out, CapCut will take you back to the login screen. From here, click Sign In. Now you'll see several different ways to log back in. You can choose Google, TikTok, Facebook, or even use a QR code depending on how your new account is connected. Pick the login method that matches the account you want to use, then complete the sign-in process and wait for CapCut to load your new profile. Once you're signed in, you'll be using the new account on CapCut Desktop instead of the old one. This is really useful if you manage multiple accounts, work on different brands, or just need to switch between personal and business profiles. And that's it. You've now changed account in CapCut on PC. If this video helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.